Hello everyone and welcome to the AudioCraft CLI project, where we are building a command line interface to interact with Meta's generative audio models. My name is Nathan Corello Wilk and I'm currently a master's student in the University of Central Florida in Orlando, and I've been responsible for the audio generation tasks using the AudioGen model.
Hi, I'm Omar Macias. I'm from Guadalajara, Mexico, and I'm currently studying my fifth semester at the Tecnológico Monterrey here in Guadalajara. And I've been working mainly on the part of the music generation of the CLI tool.
When it comes to what we have done so far, we have accomplished the tasks of generating both audio and music from text inputs, as well as generating a series of music from daily activities and calendar events.
And as I said, I've been working mainly on the music generation part, and here is um, a brief demo of how it works. First, we have this command that is the one that we created. Here we have the flag that selects the desired model. The D selects the duration of the audio. And finally, this part, it is the way that we want to call the output file that it will generate. And finally, here is the description of the audio of the music in this case that we want to generate. For this example, it is an R&B that has some mariachi trumpets towards the end. And we can see here it is importing the needed stuff and making some logs about the TensorFlow that it uses. And after this, we're gonna see how it starts to generate the desired music. In this case, it is generating the given description in the mariachi underscore R&B 0.web file that we gave before. And once it has finished, now it says where it stored the new file, in this case on the outputs directory and with the given name. So we can go ahead and list all the items that we have in the outputs directory. We can see there the mariachi underscore R&B.web. Also, we can create given a txt file, in this case, the one we have here in the right, and it will generate two musics in this case, one for the pop rock beat and the other one for the second one. And this is practical to generate as many different audios of music as you want. And the only difference is that we're selecting a batch file that in this case is the generation.txt. And also here we change the model and the duration of the audio. So let's see how it. Here the same, the logs of the TensorFlow and the importations. And now it will show the progress bar that we need. Here it is. It is generating both that we said, and as we didn't give it the output desired, it just picked the description. And now we can go ahead and list outputs again. And there are both files.
And similarly, we can do the same with the AudioGen model to create audios in batches with the appropriate durations.
Finally, the most recent feature we have been working on
is the generation of a series of music and audio using your daily activities and even your own calendar. For this feature, you can select the model you want to use, then you can pass a list of activities or a calendar.ics file, as well as flags to enhance the prompts with GPT and deterministic prompts. If a calendar file was specified, you can even specify dates to replay your songs from the past or play songs for the future. So I just ran this command in the terminal by specifying the -a option, which stands for activities, and I passed a comma-separated list of my daily activities, and I set the GPT flag in order to enhance my prompts, and then the deterministic flag to always give me the same prompts. This gave us the audio for commuting to work, having a meeting, and doing yoga at the beach. To end things off, our current last feature is the ability for you to import your calendar file and then generate audio and music of your days. Right here, I specified my file calendar.ics, and then I added the GPT flag to make the prompts better. And then I selected a range of days from November to generate audios from me. Each audio will be named as the name of the event you have saved in your calendar so you can listen to it later. Thank you so much for watching. We are AudioCraft CLI.